In this video, consider this question: the hexagon, drawing the front view and the auxiliary view and development. So starting out with the given view, draw this horizontal line and draw the horizontal line at this point, so that we get the plane in which we draw the plan. After drawing this, we get the base, which is 32 millimeters. Then after drawing this, we'll get the side of the hexagonal prism. So to do that, we extend this line to the end of the circle. So doing this, we get it. Since the hexagonal prism is across flat, so we're going to get this. After doing that, we project the lines up to the front elevation. Then we have this. So in the front elevation, we'll get the perpendicular height. So from that point, connect to the base, sending the line from this point to the base. So after getting it, we now get the distance where it will perpendicular distance to the point where it is cut on the vertical plane. So from this point, we connect it. Then we'll project the lines from the point where it is cut down on the front elevation down to the plan. After sending it down to the plan, then we'll get the point where it's connected, touching the lines that is radiated from the center. So we'll get the point A, C, D, and F. So to get the point on B and A, we'll go to the front elevation and draw a horizontal line. Then from the midpoint of the plan, we'll mark the point on the line on the plan. So we'll get our point B and E. So from this, we'll connect each of the points. That's A, B, C, D, E, F. Then we'll get the point where the prism is cut. So after this, we'll hatch the lines on our plan. The face that is cut, we're going to hatch it, which will give us the required view on the plan. So after this, we're going to get the true shape. So to get the view of the true shape, we'll extend the line from where it is cut on this hexagonal pyramid. We'll extend it from the midpoint and also at the point where it is cut on the pyramid. So after extending this line, to get to the true shape, we come to the plan, get from the point A and F, we mark it, then we'll go back to that point and get the transfer that length. So also here we'll do the same. We'll repeat the same process. So after getting all our points, we connect them together. So now we have our true shape. That's the face, the true view of the face that is being cut on this hexagonal pyramid. So hatch the line on this point. So now we have our true face. So the next thing is to get the auxiliary view. which is at 30 degrees to the horizontal. So we radiate or project the line from the apex then to the midline, and also the point where it is cut